Welcome to our Proxy-Seller review. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to buying cheap proxies effortlessly. Why choose cheap proxies? They offer privacy, security, and the ability to access geo-restricted content. Now, let's find a reliable provider. Look for user reviews, customer support, and pricing plans that fit your needs. When purchasing, prioritize proxies with good uptime and high speed. Your online experience depends on it. After purchasing, it's time to set up your anti-detect browser. This will help mask your identity in browsing activities. And that's it. You're now ready to explore the web anonymously with your new proxies and browser. Always verify your proxy's performance. Regular tests can save you from slow connections. Keep your anti-detect browser updated. This ensures you have the latest security features and tools. Finally, remain aware of local proxy regulations to ensure compliance while browsing. With this knowledge, you are now equipped to take full advantage of proxies safely and effectively. Remember, a good proxy can change your online experience drastically. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more insights on tech and privacy.